Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the default font in Excel for Mac. First, open your Excel application and go to the Excel menu at the top, then select Preferences. Once the Preferences window appears, look for the Authoring section and click on General. This is where you will find the options to customize your default font settings. Now, within the General Preferences, you will see drop-down menus for default font and font size. Take your time to select the font style you wish to use for all new workbooks, perhaps something like Calibri or Arial. Then, choose a comfortable font size, such as 11 or 12 points. After making your choices, simply click OK to save these new settings. For your new default font to be fully applied, you must close all currently open Excel workbooks. It is also crucial to completely quit the Excel application itself. Once Excel is entirely closed, relaunch it. Any new workbooks you create from this point forward will automatically open with your newly selected default font and size, making your workflow more consistent. For more advanced customization, you can create a new workbook, apply your desired font, size, and even other settings, then save it as an Excel template file. Name it Workbook and save it in the Excel Start folder, typically found within your Office group containers. This method ensures that every new workbook starts with your exact preferred layout, offering even greater control over your Excel environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.